Hey, word to the wise, coming from the wise, boy, you gotta keep it official. I'm in the cup with a mustard shirt with some Nike socks and some slippers. Came to the party with a bunch of guns with banana clips like gorillas. Fuck B-boy, won't want, so you better come with some hitters. Every day a nigga wake up, all I think about is getting paper. I ain't got shit for neither one of y'all, so don't ask me for no favor. Got a bad bitch in the bako, eating dick up like a bagel. I don't own no handcuffs, why the fuck she asking me to cuff her? Dog with it, I don't give it down, so now I'm fucking with a cousin. Hood nigga with an attitude, so I wonder why they hoe love me. Too official like a referee, let my haters know they can rest in peace. On point like shark teeth. Granny told me better get your money, cause in this world ain't shit free. Drip sauce like ooh, we in this flavor ain't got a recipe. Flip a bitch like Chris Paul. Pass off like Chris Paul.